Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who liked you on Tinder without paying on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, you will see a main swipe screen. Normally, to see everyone who liked you, Tinder shows them in the Like You section, which is part of the Tinder Plus or Gold. Use the swipe method carefully. Swipe right on people you are interested in. If it's a match, that means they like you too. It's a free way to discover mutual likes without paying. Pay attention to topics or suggestions. Tinder sometimes shows people who are more likely to like you based on your profile. Swiping smartly increases your chances of matching with someone who already liked you. Finally, use other free tips like updating your profile with clear photos, a catchy bio, and being active daily. Active profiles often get more likes, which increases your chances of seeing mutual matches. And that's it. Open Tinder, swipe carefully, watch top pics, and keep your profile active. These tips help you see who likes you without paying on Tinder. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.